Hello everyone, I hope all are well and good during this pandemic 19. So let's come to the our main point, that is presentation on the project. Our project title is Movie Success Prediction Using Machine Learning Algorithm. The project members are Shubham Pawar, Fefare Aditi, Parnika Shinde, Saurabh Shinde and Akshay Sonale. I am Master Saurabh Shinde who is presenting this PPT. So these are the main key points which we are going to explain throughout this presentation.
Problem statement. Proposed system is to predict the success and failure of upcoming movie based on several attributes. The system will use a classification model to find correlation between several attributes like actor, movie rating, etc. The system will predict success rating from the correlation between various movie criteria. This model can be used by movie watchers and producers. Introduction. Movies play an important role in our everyday life. Film industry involves huge investment in terms of money, time, efforts and people. So it is very important to predict success and failure of movie. For this purpose, we use internet movie database containing categorical and numerical information. Various algorithms are applied in this dataset to calculate IMDb score. IMDb score is nothing but a measure to predict success and failure of movie accurately before actual release of the movie. In this work, we use machine learning and data machine algorithms for prediction purpose. Scope. The focus of this project is to formulate a method of how to preprocess the dataset and evaluate which attributes are the most useful. By evaluating the correlation between the attributes and the success rate of the machine learning. Using this method, if it can achieve a viable success rate when trying to predict the rating and box office revenue. The data set is going to be obtained on IMDb using a web scraper of own creation. The data set will be limited to 10,000 unique movie by reason of making the workflow more manageable and processing the data. Objectives of our system. First one, to predict whether the movie will hit, super hit or flop. Second, to find out review of new movie. Third, to help users to decide whether to book ticket in advance or not. Fourth, to save money of producer. Fifth, to help producer in determining movie release date. Literature survey. These five base paper we have used in this system. First one, movie success prediction using machine learning and their comparison. Means performance movie success prediction using IMDb dataset and calculate IMDb score using machine learning algorithm. Second one, predicting IMDb rating of pre-release movie with factorization machines using social media. Description. Explore factorization machines approach in order to predict movie success using social media data. Third, a machine learning approach to predict movie box office success. Description. Propose a description support system for movie using machine learning techniques. Fourth, predicting movie box office success using multiple regression and SVM. Description. Perform multiple linear regression and SVM classification to predict movie success. Fifth, improving movie gross prediction through news analysis. Description. Perform a traditional gross prediction using regression and k-nearest neighbor model.
Requirement specification. Requirement specification describes the function and performance of the computer-based system and constraint which govern its development. there are three types of requirement specification. First one is normal requirement, second one is expected requirement, and third one is excited requirement. So the in normal requirement there are three types of sub requirements, namely N1, N2 and N3. So the N1 is to predict whether the movie will be hit, super hit or flop. The N2 is to save the money of producer and the uh, viewers, and N3 is for easy to use. Then the second requirement is expected requirement. There are five sub requirements. The first one is E1. It is used to predict whether the movie will be hit, super hit or flop. The E2 is for find out the review of the new movie. E3 is for to help the users to decide whether to book the ticket in the advance or not. E4 is used to save the money of producers, and E5 is to help the producer in evaluating the movie release date. The third one is excited requirement. So there are three sub requirements. X1 is for better security features which will be provided by the system. X2 is for the GUI, means graphical user interface to the system, and the third one is X3 is for it is this is for the platform independent system. Then the next requirement is a functional requirement. So in this functional requirement, the system must perform the data pre-processing in order to remove the unwanted data. So this data is then divided into two data sets, that is a training data set and testing data set. So we need to find the correlation among the attributes. Then using the classification model, we can find the correlation among the attributes, and it will predict the movie success and the failure. Uh, the second requirement is non-functional requirement. The first requirement is extensibility. In this, the system should be able to add the new features and the forward of customization at the very next major version upgrade. The second one is privacy. So the privacy should be maintained throughout the system. User friendliness means here UI should be user friendly. Then the last one is the responsive. Here system should be give responses to the request as quick as possible.
System architecture. In our system, there are the two main phases, training phase and testing phase. In our system, we collect the data from the IMDb website and perform some operations on that data, like data cleaning, data reduction, data transformation, etc. Here we use a naive Bayes classifier for the classification and predict the output. Breakdown structure. In our system, there are the five modules. First one is a registration and login. Here register and login is done. Second one is the data pre-processing. Here we have performed some operations on IMDb data like data cleaning, data reduction and data transformation. Feature selection and feature extraction. Fourth one is the classification model. Here we use naive Bayes classifier. And fifth one is the result evaluation. Module wise description. First module is the registration and login. In this module, we have designed registration and login page for users. In our system, there are the two users, movie viewer and producer. Second module is the data collection and pre-processing. In this module, we are collect the data and perform some operation like data cleaning, data integration, data transformation and data reduction. Third module is a feature selection and feature extraction. Feature selection is a process of the choosing a subset of the original pool of a data set, and the feature extraction is nothing but it is a process of getting the useful features from the existing data. And fourth model is a result evaluation. In this model, we check the efficiency of a system by applying various possible test cases. Naive Bayes algorithm. Naive Bayes is a supervised learning algorithm. The naive Bayes is assume the presence of a particular feature in a class is unrelated to the presence of any other feature. There are the three steps in a naive Bayes. First one is a convert the dataset into the frequency table. Second one is a create the likelihood table by finding the probabilities. Third one is a naive Bayesian equation to calculate the posterior probability for each class. The class with the highest posterior probability is the outcome of a prediction.
Use case diagram. Use case diagram is a representation of a user interaction with the system and depicts specification of use case. In this diagram, there are three actors: IMDb dataset, movie viewer, and producer, and four use cases. Use case represents nothing but a functionality. Actor IMDb is linked with all use cases, while movie viewer and producer are linked to registration and login and movie success and failure prediction. Class diagram. Class diagram is a diagram that describes the structure of the system by showing the system class, their attributes, operations, and the relationship among objects. For registration, there are two classes: registration and validate registration. Both are linked to each other. Attributes are name, email, username, password, mobile number, etc. For registration, methods are registered producer and registered viewer. And for validate registration, methods are validate producer and validate viewer. Then for login, there are two classes: login and validate user. For data preprocessing, there are two subclasses linked with main data preprocessing class. These classes are data cleaning and data reduction. Data cleaning has remove null method which removes null data, and data reduction has remove column method which reduces data size. Further, for feature selection and extraction, there is a transform string to int class having method string to int. It converts all the categorical attribute into numerical value. This class is related with feature extraction class. It applies correlation among attributes by using apply correlation method and select features with the help of select feature method. Then for movie success prediction, there is a class called predict success failure. For that, attributes are movie name and movie cast, and method called result will give the result. This method is further differentiated for viewer and producer. Activity diagram. Activity diagrams are graphical representation of workflows of stepwise activities and actions with support for choice, iteration, and concurrency. It shows overall flow of control. In our system, movie viewer has to first log in. Then system will validate the user. If invalid, user has to relog in. Else, user will further enter movie title and system will calculate the result. Further, user will click on predict result, and finally system shows the result and maintain user profile. Almost similar process is there for producer. Instead of entering just movie title, producer has to enter other details also. This is activity diagram for producer. Sequence diagram. A sequence diagram is an interaction diagram that shows how processes operate with one another and in which order. It shows objects' interaction arranged in time sequence. In this diagram, there are four objects: user, IMDb, web application, and database. First of all, user will enter login details and it will be validated from database. Then, if user is movie viewer, he will enter movie name to the web page, and web application will send get correlation request to IMDb. IMDb will find correlation and will send it back to web application. And finally, application will show ratings to user. Similarly, If user is producer, he will enter movie cast and web application will get correlation from IMDb and will display the ratings to producer. Component diagram. It shows set of components with their relationships. There are three main components related to this movie success and prediction system: user, user account, and IMDb dataset. Deployment diagram. Deployment diagram are used to describe
implementation part. Here's the our GUI where the actor name, release month, and director name will be entered, and after that entering the movie, the prediction will be calculated. After entering Akshay Kumar, release month 8 and director name Imtiaz Ali, the movie will be hit. This is a menu where a predict space means this GUI space. Trends will show the which movie is trending now, and this is the code where the data is transformed into a such form where it will be calculated and the result will be shown. This is help to calculate the rating of movie, where the movie will be hit or super hit. We have used Navy bias algorithm. The conclusion part: in this system, we present the systematic approach towards some efficient strategies for movie success and failure prediction. The IMDb is an interesting dataset to analyze. A movie success does not only depend on features related to movies. Number of audiences plays a very important role for a movie to become successful, because the whole industry is about audiences. The whole industry will make no sense if there is no audience.